Hello there beautiful people and welcome back again to On How channel. If you don't know, my name is Anas, I'm working for you, so if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop on below and I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back and please be a witness for that for over 150 videos I made so far on Shopify customization because they were mostly requested by you guys, subscribers, and some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that, I still make the video for them. Just a like button, that's all I'm asking. Or actually, if you are interested in Shopify customization, you want to be an expert, you want to learn how to do anything yourself, why not subscribe to the channel, man? I don't have anything to sell, never will. I don't have sell any courses, I don't have any paid memberships on the channel. Everything I do create, including the codes on the videos, I provide them completely free on the channel. You just have to skip around some advertisements, but that's the case for most of the videos on YouTube, right? Including the entertainment ones you like to watch, which I don't create. I have a couple of jokes every now and then, but I don't consider my jokes entertainment. So it's a win-win situation, but I respect your decision. I'll let you decide. Just a like button if this video helped you out. If it didn't, just drop me a comment. As I said, I will be happy to help you out, just like this video you're watching right now, because this is a request. Yes, here I am again back with another requested video, which is how to change the header icon's color on your Shopify store, and both actually, or just one of them, because there is not only one icon on the color, on the header, sorry. There is the cart icon, and there is also the account icon where the customers can log in it. So if you want to change the color only one of them, this video will help you out. And if you want to change the color for both of them, this video will help you out as well. No worries. So I got you in every corner, no worries. And without any more talking, let's just get to it. As you can see, this is the Shopify dashboard, and I have here down team, which is the one I do demonstrations on. So every code I do share, I do demonstration in the video on down team because it's the most used one, also is the most requested one when it comes to requests from people. But if I scroll down in here, I have every other Shopify team, the most used ones again, which is Refresh, Spotlight, Taste, Sense, and Trade. And if you are wondering why is that, because I do actually try the codes behind the scenes on all of these teams. I don't do that in the video, so I don't board people because it's like 5 or 6 teams in here. I do it behind the scenes to make sure that even if you're not using down team, using one of these should work for you just fine. And I just have to say this in the beginning, so I give you that peace of mind, because you're gonna see me doing it on down team. You might be thinking, oh, maybe it's not working for the others. No, it is. Here is your peace of mind. Without any more talking again for the second time, let's just get to it and show you how to change this one's colors in here, as you can see. And there is actually 3, which is the search icon, but I removed it because I don't like it, and I did a search bar, just like you see. If you are interested in that, make sure to check out the channel because I already posted that video. And not just that video, every little thing that you see on the Shopify store, literally everything on the Shopify store, I did it in tutorials. So if you saw anything in here that you like and you think it looks good, you want to implement it in your store as well, then just check out the channel, because once it's here, that means it's already done with one of my previous videos, because I don't remove the changes in here. I keep them so people can see them. But for this video, as I said, we will change the color for either both of these or just one of these. And I will show you obviously how to customize the code to make it work just on one of these or both of them. And let's just keep this page open. As always, we will do the trick, come back and see it in action. So get back to Shopify dashboard. If you are already in Shopify dashboard, click on the online store here, then team, then click on the 3 dots on left of customize and click on edit code. It will take you to the code editor for your Shopify team. And in here, we need to find the specific file. Instead of looking at the folders and files in here, you might get dizzy. Simply use the search bar and type in team, and it will show you team, team like this, and it will show you team.liquid. Make sure it ends with .liquid. Team.liquid, click on it, bunch of code will show up, no worries. Just scroll all the way down right here, and you will see this tag says /body, as you can see, /body. In here, before or above /body, we need to paste in some code, but there is no space, as you can see, between style and body. So we need to create some space in here. And to create that space, simply click front of style like this, then hit enter on your keyboard. Here we go. We have a completely new line, nothing on it, to paste in our code. And where are you gonna get that code? You're gonna hire a developer, pay him, wait 24 hours. I'm just joking. Scroll down the description box and you will see again a link named as code. Click on it and it will take you to this beautiful page with this beautiful code, as you can see. So again, This code will do the trick for both of them. Later I will show you how to customize it to make it work only for one of them. Now it will change the color for both of them. And here it says color, and this is a value for the color, which is a hex code. If I Google this like this, it's going to show me this hex color. As you can see, this is red. So you can play around with the colors like this until you get the color you want, then copy the hex code from it from here and replace it in here. In my case, I'm going to keep it red just for demonstration. Select the whole code, make sure to select the whole thing, copy, get back in here and paste it in the space that we did create. Let's just click on the save button, wait for a couple of seconds, it save it. We will get back to Shopify store, reload the page and see if that will work. Here it is. Both of them are red, as you can see, because the color I did set is red. So what if you want to do this only one of them? And you can see one is card and the other one is account. It's called, the class name is called account. So card account. Let's just say you want to change the color only for account. Easy. Get back in here and you see the code, as you can see. Let me zoom in on it again. So it says dot head and there is this icon. Click front of icon without any space or anything. Then click on this line dash, sorry, it's called dash, yeah. Not just one, but two dashes. One, again, another one. So two dashes, then type in account. That was simple. Now click on the save button. If I click on the save button, okay, it's saved it. We will get back in here and that should change the color only on the account, as you can see. So what if you want it on the card? Easy. Get back in here and let me zoom in on it again. So in place we will type in account, type in card. That was simple. Now click on the save button. We'll wait for a couple of seconds. Get back in here, reload the page and boom. Now it's switched. Now the card icon that's red and the other one is black, which is the default. And if you have the search icon and you want to change it for the search, you already know. Just type in, instead of card, type in search. That was easy, right? That's how you change the header icon's color on your Shopify store by using the same code for both of them or just one of them. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them below. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.